Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to get hatches effect in Inkscape. So let's do it now. First we need to do is create an object. So I go to the left panel and I select here ellipse arc tool because we would like to create a circle. Okay, so let's draw it here, maybe something like that. I change the horizontal radius to 50 and I change the vertical radius to 50, so I type it here. Okay, and now we need to go to path and select here path effects. Now we need to click on arrow and here on generate category we have hatches effect. It led us to fill the object with hatching, so I click on this option and now our object has been successfully changed. You can easily control this effect by move this point to the left or to the right, it depends on your preferences. Of course you can change position of other points if you want. Of course everything depends on the effect that you want to get. So maybe I will change position of this point to somewhere here, and like you see this effect looks really great. Of course the same action you can make to the rectangle or any other objects. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And it's everything for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.